Welcome to Easy Daily English. Subscribe now to join our community. Ready to level up? Let's go. Hello, friends. Do you want to make your English better? Today, we will learn many adjectives. Adjectives are words that describe people, things, and feelings. This is the part 1. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Attractive, looks nice. Bald, a person who has no hair. Beautiful, very pleasant and pretty. Chubby, a little fat. Clean, no dirt. Dazzling, very bright and amazing. Drab, not colorful. Elegant, very stylish. Fancy, look special. Fit, healthy and strong. Flabby, loose, soft body. Glamorous, very stylish and rich looking. Gorgeous, extremely beautiful. Handsome, good looking for men. Magnificent, very great and impressive. Muscular, with strong muscles. Plain, simple, not special. Plump, a little round and fat. Quaint, old but nice. Scruffy, dirty or untidy. Stocky, short and strong. Unkempt, hair or clothes not tidy. Unsightly, not nice to look at. Alive, not dead. Careful, takes care. Clever, smart and quick. Dead, not alive. Easy, not hard. Famous, many people know them. Gifted, very talented. Hallowed, very holy. Helpful, likes to help. Mealy, soft and dry like powder. Mushy, very soft. Odd, strange. Bizarre, very strange. Shy, afraid to talk. Tender, soft and gentle. Vast, very big. Significant, very important. Aggressive, likes to fight. Agreeable, easy and kind. Ambitious, wants success. Brave, not afraid. Calm, relaxed and quiet. Delightful, very nice. Eager, wants to do something. Faithful, always true. Gentle, soft and kind. Jolly, happy and smiling. Great job, friends. Now you know 50 useful adjectives in English. Waiting for part 2. Practice them every day and you will speak better. See you in the next lesson. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.